This is going to look fantastic. The very first coat I'm able to do by holding onto the neck, which is great, because it's not that heavy to do it that way. But after that, it becomes an issue where I can't really touch the surface because it will get sticky and I will damage it. So I need to make do by holding it from the pickup cavities and rotating as I go. Suboptimal, admittedly.
I really wonder whether I'm gonna have time, because this is gonna be at Tone Fest on the 8th of February, and it is today, 12th of January. So I need to wait 21 days before I can do polishing on it, according to Nitorlak's instructions. So I guess we'll see in 21 days how busy I am with the rest of the builds. But yeah,